Hello everyone and welcome to this demo video of our school management system focused exclusively on the admin panel. We begin on the Login Sign Up page. To start using the system, we first go to the Sign Up page, where we enter some basic school details, like the school name, established date, and other foundational information. Next, we fill in the admin details, including a username and password, which will serve as the primary credentials to access the dashboard. Once the registration is complete, we are redirected back to the login page. Here, we log in using the admin credentials we just created. Now we've entered the admin dashboard. The dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of everything the system offers. This includes admissions management, staff records, student information, enquiry tracking, fee collection, and much more, all in one central location, designed for smooth school operations. Now, let's look at how a new student is admitted. We navigate to the admissions page, and here we fill out the student's details, such as first name, last name, and birth date. Next, we enter the parents' details, including their first and last names, contact information, and other relevant fields. Once submitted, the student is officially admitted into the system. Now that the student has been successfully admitted, the next step is to assign them to a class. For this, we head over to the Classes page. Here, we simply select the class number. Choose the appropriate section, and then pick the student's name from the list. Once selected, we complete the process by assigning the student to the chosen class. This ensures the student is now officially part of the academic structure and can be tracked accordingly throughout the system. Now let's move on to marking attendance for students. We go to the Attendance page, where we have useful filters to select the class and section. There's also an option to choose previous dates, allowing us to mark or update attendance for any past day. To mark attendance, we simply click on the button next to each student. A drop-down menu appears with options like Present, Absent, and Leave. Once marked, the attendance status can still be updated if needed. We can easily change it to a different status at any time. At the top of the page, you'll also see the attendance percentage for each student, giving a quick overview of their overall attendance record. Next, we'll head over to the Timetable page. Here, we can add subjects to a class timetable by selecting the subject name, class, and section, teacher's name, and the period it should be assigned to. Below that, we have the View Timetable section, where we can choose a specific class and section to display their current schedule. As we can see, the complete timetable for that class is now visible. Now, let's move on to adding homework for a class. We do this by going to the Homework page. As you can see, the editor provides various formatting options like font styles, text sizes, headings, and more, making it easy to create clear and structured assignments. In the description box, we can enter the full details of the homework. Next, we fill in the title. Select the appropriate class and section, choose the subject, and set the due date for the assignment. Now let's navigate to the Subjects page, where we can add or edit subjects. To add a new subject, we simply enter the subject name, then select the class and section and click on the Add button. Each subject listed also has a settings icon, which allows us to edit the subject details if needed. And if we want to remove a subject, we can do so easily by clicking on the Delete button next to it. Now, let's move to the Exams page, where we can manage exams for students. This section includes 3 parts: View Exams, Add Exams, and Grades. We'll start with the Add Exams page. Here, we select the exam name from the drop-down, then choose the subject followed by the class, and enter details like maximum marks, exam date, time, duration, and a description. Once we fill out the form and click Add Exam, we're redirected to the View Exams page. Now, let's move to the Report Card page, where we can view and generate students' grade cards. At the top, we have several filters to narrow down the list, such as by exam name, class, subject, and username. Below, you can see the marks entered by teachers for each student. To generate a grade card, we simply click the Generate button next to the student. As you can see, this automatically generates a report card. Now let's navigate to the Fee Collection page, where we can manage and add fees for students. At the top of this page, we have multiple filters that help us quickly find students, by class and section, by their fee status, or even by name or student ID. Below the filters, we see a list of all students. Next to each student, there are two buttons, Add Fees and View Fees. Let's click on the Add Fees button. In this form, some details like the student's class, section, and roll number are autofilled. We then enter the total fee amount for the student, along with a breakup of that amount, such as tuition fees, lab fees, dues, and so on. There is also a section for discounts, where we can either enter a specific amount or a percentage, and choose the appropriate type. After filling in all the necessary details, we click on Add Fees. Next, we move to the View Fees page, where we can see a complete record of the student's fees, including the detailed fee breakup. At the top, we also get a clear summary, showing the total fees, amount paid, pending fees, and any discounts applied. Additionally, right above the summary, there's a form that allows the admin to record cash payments made by parents. By filling out this form, the payment entry is added directly to the student's fee record, ensuring everything stays updated in real time. Now let's move to the Income page, where the admin can manage the school's income records. This section has three parts: Add Income, All Income, and Add Category. First, we go to the Add Category page. Here we simply enter a category name, provide a description, and click Save. As you can see, the new category appears in the list below. Next, we move to the Add Income page. In this form, we enter the income source, amount, date, and select the appropriate category. There's also an option to upload a related document if needed. Finally, in the All Income page, we can view all added income records. From here, we can download attached documents, and also have options to edit or delete any income entry. Now, let's move to the Expenses page, which allows the admin to manage all school expenses. Just like the Income section, this also has three parts: Add Expense, All Expenses, and Add Category. Next, we go to the Add Expense page. Here, we fill in the expense details, such as the amount, date, select the category, and optionally upload a document or receipt. Finally, in the All Expenses page, we can see a complete list of recorded expenses. From here, the admin can download uploaded documents, as well as edit or delete any expense entry as needed. Once the users are added or updated, we can head over to the Staff page. Here, we can view a list of all staff members associated with the school, including teachers, admins, and accountants, as shown in the list on this page. Now, let's go to the Users page. Here we can see a list of all users associated with the school, including roles like teacher, admin, accountant, and superadmin. In the Actions column next to each user, we have options to edit, delete, deactivate, or reset password. At the top, there's an Add User button. Clicking it opens a form where we can enter the first name, last name, username, email, gender, phone number, password, role, and status. Once we fill out the details and click Add User, the new user gets added to the list instantly. Now let's move to the Settings page, where the admin can manage their profile and school-related settings. First, the admin can upload or change their profile photo by selecting and uploading a new logo image, which will be used as the admin's profile picture. Next, we have the option to upload an ID card format, which serves as the template for generating student ID cards. Once the files are uploaded, the profile image updates instantly, and the selected ID card theme will be used across the system for all student ID cards. There's also an Edit Profiles section, where the admin can update the school name, address, email, phone number, and the school's website URL to keep everything current and accurate. Now, let's move to the Enquiries page, where all the enquiries raised by parents are displayed. Parents can raise support tickets, and each ticket maintains a separate conversation thread, making it easy to track and respond to queries. Next to each enquiry, there is a View button that allows the admin to open and review the full conversation with that parent, ensuring clear and organized communication. And finally, we move to the Raise Issues page. Here, the admin can report any issues or concerns, and these will be directly sent to the superadmin of the school management system. This ensures that any technical problems or administrative requests are properly logged and addressed by the higher-level support team.